Here's a quick video on how to change the air filter in your car. First step is to locate underneath the driver's side part of the car the latch to the hood. And then next, once you open the latch, you want to go up to the hood, and underneath you should see or feel a little bar or a little switch. Push that switch and that should lift the hood. And right here, this is your intake, which goes into your engine. So right under here is where your air filter is. So I'll show you how to remove that next. Alright, so to get to your air filter, if you come to the side, you'll see that there's a little latch here, which you just push towards you. And then another latch here. And that gets off this cover, which is where the air filter is housed under. And if you notice on the other side, here, instead of latches, it's on a little hinge system, and there's another one underneath this intake tube here. So this hinge is open, and honestly what you can do is, if you want to get this whole thing out of your way, just lift and then maybe wiggle towards you until those hooks come out. As you can see, there's one, and then you can feel two kind of coming, and then you'll see right there, there's your air filter. So you just kind of sneak your hand through, pull it up and out, and there it is. Now, so here's my air filter. This one is a reusable one, so I won't be replacing it. I cleaned it out. Yours will probably need to be replaced if you don't have a reusable air filter. But anyway, yeah, I'll show you how to put that back in. And again, the steps are opposite of removal. You want to kind of lift this up, the intake, and then I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Whittle your, or I guess kind of wiggle your air filter in. This will be probably a lot nicer for you when you have both hands at the ready. And what you're going to want to do is just kind of wiggle that under and in, and it'll seat. So just wiggle it around until it's flat. I'm going to work on this. Alright, so now to get this filter back in place, in case you did take those little clips out, is you just want to kind of bevel this up and then push those back in. And again, it's kind of hard to do on camera, but I'll try my best here. Yep. There we go. And then once you get those two hinges in, you want to now just clip on these latches by just pulling up. Just like that. You might need to. Alright, so the video cut out, but I thought I'd just quickly show you that again. So once you get those two hinges in on that side, you'll want to pull up on this. You might need to push down at the same time. Push down and then pull that clip up. Let's see. There we go. And then the same for this one. Back here. Push down. And then there you go. And that is how you change and replace the air filter to your vehicle. Most of this will be the same for other cars, makes and models, but I just thought I'd show you on my Jeep Cherokee. Sometimes the clips here will be in different spaces, but for the most part, they've usually got two different clips, or two different latches, and then two other hinges. It might be different orientation on other vehicles, but for the most part, that's the basic process. I hope that helps, and check out my other videos if you have other things that you're interested in learning how to do, and like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thank you. I'll show you this. You do not need to go into this much of work, but I decided I just wanted to give you a good visual and also an idea of how to put this back with a good view. So if you have a shop vac, it'd be good to just kind of vacuum all those little odds and ends that come in. They won't get through the filter, but it's just, nice to keep it as clean as possible. And then I'll just show you kind of with this visual here. So when you get the new filter, you clean out the filter you have, if it's reusable, you'll just want to slide it in, and you'll see it'll just sit nicely like that. So this really isn't too much of a difficult replacement. I just took off the plastic cover on top so you could have a nice visual, but you do not need to do that. If anything, you can just open up those tabs, wiggle out the old filter, put a new one in, close it back up, and you're good to go. But